In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the number of visitors on your WordPress site. If you want to understand how many people are visiting your website, WordPress makes it very easy to find that information. This is helpful whether you're tracking the growth of your blog, checking how a recent post is performing, or simply getting a better sense of your site's activity over time. To begin, log into your WordPress.com account and go to the My Home area for your website. This is your main dashboard where you can get an overview of your site and access the most important tools. If you manage more than one site, just make sure you've selected the correct one before moving on, so the visitor data you see matches the site you want to review. Once you're on the My Home screen, look for the Stats option and click on it. This section is where WordPress collects and displays traffic information for your site. It's designed to give you a quick snapshot of how your content is performing and how people are interacting with your website. After opening Stats, look for the visitor information. This is the area that shows how many visitors have come to your site. In many cases, WordPress will display this data clearly near the top of the stats page along with other related numbers such as views, likes, or traffic trends. The key thing you want to focus on here is the visitors count, since that tells you how many individual people have accessed your site. As you review the numbers, keep in mind that visitors and views are not always the same. A single visitor can look at multiple pages, which can increase page views without increasing the number of unique visitors. So if your goal is to measure how many people are actually reaching your site, the visitors metric is usually the most useful one to watch. It's also a good idea to check your stats regularly instead of only looking once. That way, you can start to notice patterns, like which days bring in more traffic or whether a new article helped increase interest in your site. Over time, this can help you make better decisions about what to post and when to post it. And that's it. By going to My Home, clicking on Stats, and finding the visitor count, you can quickly check the number of visitors on your WordPress site.